Hello students, please subscribe the channel, drop a like, share and comment. This is dictation number 13 and 14 of the model speed dictation volume number 1 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Honorable Vice Chairman, Sir, I stand to congratulate the Agriculture Ministry for raising the position of India from the status of food deficit to food self-reliance. Really, it is a very happy occasion to express my thanks to the Agriculture Ministry. Not only has the Agriculture Ministry managed to raise the production, the present policy of the government has made us to believe that India can export food in a few years. Really, it is a very heartening thought and idea. The Agriculture Ministry deserves congratulations as it has not only managed to produce more but it has ensured future production of the country by amicable settlement of the long standing river disputes. My friend has just expressed that this happy event of agricultural production in India is not due to the initiative taken by the Ministry of Agriculture. He wants to say that it is due to monsoon. But I want to lay emphasis on the fact that it is due to emergency, the 20-point program and the initiative taken by the ministry. This pessimism has done enough harm to the country. So, I request my friend to put a half to such pessimism being spread in the country. Another serious allegation has been made that Congress MPs are not sincere about land reforms. But I would like to remind my honorable colleagues that during the last fortnight, throughout the length and breadth of the country, the Congress MPs undertook padayatras for bringing about land reforms. On no occasion did any public man make this allegation. I request my friend to withdraw this serious charge. I throw down my gauntlet as a challenge. He is to prove his allegation. I say that is totally false and is not based on truth. Sir, I thank the ministry for its decision to establish an agricultural research complex in the eastern region. I hope this research institute will take initiative to persuade the tribal people to take to stabilized cultivation in place of jhum cultivation. This Zoom system of cultivation has not only done enough harm to the forest wealth, but it is adding momentum to the floods in the valley. This research center should take the initiative to make a study and put a stop to Zoom system of cultivation among the tribal people. Sir, Assam has shown progress in matters of land reform and procurement of paddy. It has exceeded the target of procurement fixed earlier. The floods in the state of Assam are an annual feature. The average annual loss in Assam due to floods is rupees 170 crores. This year has been a floodless year. Even then, the damage came to rupees 120 crores. In spite of all this havoc caused by the Brahmaputra, The country should regard this mighty river as one of the greatest boons to the country because of its vast resources. Apart from producing energy, it provides water for irrigation purposes, drinking purposes, and for transportation of goods. Sir, the 20-point economic program is really changing the face of rural India and a silent transformation is taking place. Land has been allotted to eligible persons and liquidation of rural indebtedness is a welcome step. People who had suffered for endless time are now seeing the rays of hope, but still we have to go far and do much more, and therefore efforts have to be continued. No doubt, in some states, the process of consolidation of holdings has been completed, but in some states like UP, this has not been completed. The Patwari still continues to be the most powerful person in the rural areas, and something should be done about it. By and large, it is felt that minimum support price and procurement price have done a world of good to the farmers, but we have to cut across the unrealistic approach. There must be a definite relevance with the price of inputs and the general price level obtaining in the country while fixing the procurement price. Another thing to which I would like to draw the special attention of the minister is the Food Corporation of India, which operates as the sole agency of the central government for procurement, import, storage, distribution, and sale of food grains. It also handles fertilizers at the ports. Its operations are enormous, but it is necessary to have a close look at its operations and working. It is very necessary to streamline its working so that it adds to its better and improved working. We find that storage in the godowns of the food corporation always results in damage to the food grains, and therefore we have to make an assessment as to how much grain the rats eat away during storage in the godowns of the Food Corporation of India. Similarly, the Central Warehousing Corporation, which is responsible for providing godowns and warehouses, has not added to its reputation, and something has to be done to improve its working also. Sir, for the supply of quality seeds, the National Seeds Corporation and the State Farms Corporation are responsible. No doubt, the Seeds Act of 1966 ensures sale of seeds with assured germination and genetic purity, but the dissatisfaction of the farmers regarding seed supply is a well known fact. I would not go into the details, but something must be done about this also. Sir, the role of the agro industries corporations is so vital that it does not need any elucidation. Agro industries corporations have been set up in several states. No doubt these are state sector corporations, but surely the central government has financial interest in these corporations. These agro corporations, which were set up for certain objectives, have failed to achieve those objectives, and it appears that everything is not all right with them. So their working has to be improved. It has to be improved not only in its working but also in its objectives for which it has been constituted.